lost it in the ocean.
No!
Sorry, honey.
Mom.
You just want to go home?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Sienna is currently eating chapstick.
I keep getting inside my eyes.
We totally forgot to bring cash, so it was kind of a wild goose chase, but we finally found an ATM, so now we can get into the beach. Going to the beach by myself is really hard because usually Sienna's running one way, Kenzie's running the other way, so it is kind of tough. But Kenzie's a really good listener. What happened, Kenzie?
But then I fell.
Kenzie fell down on the rocks. She fell down on these rocks. We just got sand in our eyes. Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I keep getting inside my eyes.
It's gonna be alright. Sienna is currently eating chapstick. Don't worry, it's organic. It's Trader Joe's. It's edible, right? Right? Oh no, our umbrella keeps blowing away. I think our umbrella has blown away 3 times now. Whoa, what did you find? You ready? Here comes the wave. Yeah, this is Wingaersheek Beach. Okay, Kenzie, can you build a sandcastle? So right now we're looking for Kenzie's other jelly shoe. Where's the last place that you saw your jelly shoe?
I had it when it was for walking and then I lose it.
I think it maybe we lost it in the ocean.
No!
Sorry, honey. Oh my gosh! I see it! I cannot believe we found it. Kenzie was crying and crying. I thought it was gone. Toast. It must have washed back up. Or maybe somebody found it and put it back up here.
Mom.
You just want to go home?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. We were driving home and I was thinking about everything that went wrong today, which was a lot. And also Kenzie was walking and this car drove up really quickly next to us and I yelled out, "Oh my gosh, Kenzie, watch out!" And she screamed and started crying because she thought the car was gonna hit her. And that made me feel really sad too. So on the drive home, I just kind of started crying. I just felt really sad. I felt like today was kind of a fiasco. I try my best to go and do these things with the kids, but sometimes it just really doesn't work out. It's almost bedtime now and I came in and Kellen could see that I was really upset and that the day just didn't go as planned. I'm closing the vlog. As much as I would like to say that today was perfect and just went smoothly, some days just don't, and that is okay because tomorrow's a new day. I'm grateful that tomorrow is a new day. So I'm gonna end the vlog there. Thanks you guys for watching. You're the best.